Welcome! In front of me I have a Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu. To open the controls menu, press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, this one, and once you select it, you will see the status of the mode. And as you can see, at the moment it's turned off. And if you want to turn it on, press the start button, the status will change to on, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face you will see the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And also in the control panel, the control menu, the icon will change the color, and the status, like I mentioned before, will be on, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, press the start, and the status will change to off, the icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.